Alright, you guys, so I'm getting right into it. These are the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. You need pasta, half and half, artichoke heart, spinach, the cheese of your choice. I'm using half of a cream cheese, mozzarella, and white cheddar, garlic, bell pepper, and scallions. And I'm just going to prep everything and we're going to get straight to cooking. I had a lot of errands today and I'm running a little late coming back to make, my baby father his lunch. So, we're just gonna get through this. So I'm gonna saute the spinach with just some spicy, girl. If you don't have this in your house, I don't know what's going on. You should order it, even though I'm very low, but order anyway. Remove the spinach from the skillet. You just want to cook it down a bit, no big deal. You already know you gotta salt your water because the pasta is gonna cook in there and you want to season it. So you don't have to even use this shaped pasta. It's just the one I had today, or whenever this video comes out. So to the butter, I'm going to saute the peppers, scallions, and the garlic. Once I saute that down, I'm going to add a spoonful of flour. Don't forget, the ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you check it out. This pasta recipe is also great for Thanksgiving, considering you guys are going to be eating so much meat. This meatless pasta will be awesome as a side, or for people that don't eat meat. If you have a vegetarian coming over, this will be super, super delicious. So I added my half and half, and then I added my cream cheese, my chopped up artichokes, and now I'm just going to season it. You can season it however you want. I just used spicy girl, some adobo, and some pepper, and kept it simple. You don't need heavy seasoning because it's a lot going on. So now I'm going to add all my pasta down in here, just like I'm doing here. Next, I'm going to add the spinach down in here just like this. Now, y'all seen I cooked that whole tub of spinach and it cooked down to almost nothing. I probably should have used 2, but it still worked out and it was still pretty good. So I added the mozzarella and the white cheddar cheese, and pretty much I'm going to mix it up, and I'm actually going to put it in my air fryer just to brown it up a bit. And then I'll also have leftovers for the next 2 days that he can have for lunch. So that's, a win-win, right? So I'm going to put some of the pasta in my ramekin just like this. Y'all know I love this ramekin, honey. I'm always baking something up in that air fryer in this ramekin because it's so easy to do. So now I'm just going to sprinkle on some mozzarella, some more white cheddar cheese. I'm going to put some artichokes on top for some razzle-dazzle. And I'm going to pop it into the air fryer. And I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, everything's good to go. He already got his lunch. This is the second ramekin. And look how good this looks, you guys. I'm honestly going to make this again. This is worth making again. I have been cutting back on eating meat, so this is perfectly fine up my alley. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I know it was kind of rushed, but, y'all know y'all spoiled. And y'all love when I upload, so... yeah, bye.